Welcome back to Sports Class with Dr. K. And I've got just one question for you. Are you ready for some J-Lo? It's Super Bowl week, so people all over the world are getting ready for Super Bowl parties, Super Bowl commercials, the halftime show, and some people actually want to watch the game. So, if you're looking for the place for Super Bowl picks to get you through this week, you've come to the right place. But for this special occasion, I've got to bring in my special guest, Sadie the Sports Pickin' Dog. Some of you remember, Sadie has given her picks for the MLB postseason, college football bowls, and the NFL postseason. And all of her picks have been terrible. But I have it on good confidence that her specialty is Super Bowl prop bets. So we're going to make some picks today. Stick around to the end of the video. We're going to make both of our picks for the Super Bowl winner. But for now, we're going to get to some of those prop bets. So here we go. All right, so prop bets, proposition bets. These are the kind of wacky, oddball things you can pick for the Super Bowl. Some of them relate to the game, others relate to a lot of other stuff. So let's get to it. The first one is always the coin flip. This is easy enough, right? Heads or tails, 50-50. I'm going with heads. Let's see who Sadie picks. Heads or tails? Sadie picks. Go, 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 go. Go. Heads. Another favorite bet is the length of the national anthem. This can go anywhere from 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes. So the over-under is right at 2 minutes. I'm going under this season. Let's see what Sadie picks. The national anthem, over 2 minutes or under 2 minutes? Sadie picks. Over 2 minutes. All right, now a couple of things relating to the game itself. Will Patrick Mahomes win the MVP? He's the favorite among all the players in this game. I'm going to take the field, though. I'm going to say no, Patrick Mahomes does not win the MVP. Let's see what Sadie says. Will Patrick Mahomes win the MVP? Yes or no? Sadie picks no. Another favorite wager. What color is the liquid that's going to be dumped on the winning head coach? It might be nothing at all, of course, but I'm going to go with clear, which could be water or clear Gatorade, something like that. Could be any color, blue, red, green. Let's see what Sadie picks. The color of the Gatorade dumped on the winning coach, clear or colored? Sadie picks clear. Now, people love to bet on things that don't relate to the football game at all. Here's one of the favorite ones for this season. How many tweets will Donald Trump make on Super Bowl Sunday? The over-under is 13.5. I'm going way over on this one. Let's see what Sadie says. Donald Trump tweets more or less than 13.5. Sadie says more. Of course, another favorite during the Super Bowl are the commercials. There's all kinds of prop bets related to the commercials. Here's one we can go with. Which commercial is going to appear first during the game? Doritos or Budweiser? I'm going Doritos. Let's see what Sadie picks. Which commercial appears first? Doritos or Budweiser? Sadie says Doritos. Now, the great excitement this season is J-Lo is the Super Bowl halftime performer, along with Shakira. There's all kinds of things people are predicting are going to go on with that. One of the things you can bet, how many songs will they perform at halftime? The over-under is 8.5. I'm going to go under. It's actually usually about 3 or 4 songs. Let's see what Sadie picks. Number of songs in the halftime show, more or less than 8.5. Sadie says less. People also want to know how many wardrobe changes will J-Lo undergo during that halftime performance. Believe it or not, the over-under is actually 2.5. People think she's going to change clothes 3 times for 3 songs. I'm going to go under on this one, but let's see what Sadie says. Wardrobe changes for J-Lo, more or less than 2.5. Sadie says more. All right, let's get to the most important picks of all, the game itself, of course. Well, the over-under for total points scored on this game is 54. Actually, some people are wagering whether it will break the all-time record for combined points, 79. So I'm going over 54 points. Could be way over. Let's see what Sadie says. Total number of points scored in the game, over or under 54? Sadie says over. And now the big moment, the game itself. Who's going to win this game? Now we're just going to go straight up. The line is about 1.5 points in this game, but it's pretty much a pick'em. Now, this could be really close, could go either way. I'm going to go with the San Francisco 49ers. I think they've been just a little bit more of a complete team than the Chiefs, and definitely their defense has been really solid throughout the playoffs. So I'm going 49ers. Let's see what Sadie says. And the big one, is it going to be the Chiefs or the 49ers to win it all? Sadie says the 49ers. So there you have it. Super Bowl picks from me and from Sadie, the sports picking dog. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.